very ugly, very disgusting, very not cute or demeanor, very not mature, very not
Sweetheart,
cute.
and you're talking with your
Like,
little ugly ass.
Uh,
You can't be
okay,
talking
so
about other
first
people's
of all,
outfits
we're
because you
not
look like
matching.
that.
I'm cosplaying and she's a whole different avatar. I'm literally Luca from Alien Stage. I have no idea what she is. So please just mind your own business and actually worry about
Flat out weed body built like an anal bead, headphone wire, deflated tire, farted in the mic and caught a fire. Chicken pox, dirty socks, ayo everyone, go and follow Paradox. Crypto scam, orange cram, peanut butter jelly jam, dirty toe, sloppy Joe, quick Tiana, what down though? Looking ass up, you ugly shit, shut your stupid ass up, bro, you dirty as hell, bro. If you don't get your slightly below average 22 savage, moldy cabbage, went to therapy to quit your habit of having unprotected bust for obese rabbits, refrigerators filled with maggots, father abuses you with his tennis racket, who gave you a Chromebook, you tried to hack it, semi-automatic soy sauce packet, roaches and breeding inside your attic.
Please. We know.
Shut your ugly ass the fuck up! Holy shit! You like if Jack Frost was a zesty Edgar. Get your ass on me like Victor from Despicable Me using the upside down. What are you talking about? Bro, you got a urine stain in your shirt, boy. You lactate piss out of your nipple. Get your ass on me. You got battle rings above your eyes. Your eyebrows are like horse legs. Shut your ass up, boy. You ain't thing one or thing two. You object three with your cat in the hat. My wallet ain't looking fat. Having ass, boy. You dirty as hell. You dressed up like a soggy piece of bubblegum, boy. Get your ass on, bro. You conceived under a school desk. Get your ass back, bro. You got an albino launch pad on your head. Boy, boy, boy. Stupid ass, bro. You ugly as hell, but your mom uses your picture day photos as rat repellents. Bum ass, boy. You dirty as hell.
You know how you love it.
What
They
in the
said,
capitalism are you on, bro? I'm
yeah,
oriented.
they said they don't like to record me.
Shut your ugly ass the fuck up. What the fuck? Bitch dirty as hell, mama. You dirty as hell, bitch. You look like a walk away with a mohawk. Jesse, where is the mezzanine? Stupid ass, boy. You ugly as hell, boy. You dirty as shit. Don't say virginity to a polar bear on a ski lift. You dirty as shit. But such a stupid ass. Your dad just published a book on how to seduce a penguin. Bitch, that boy, you stupid as shit. But your mom got arrested for shoplifting Korean orphans. Bitch, shut your stupid ass up. What's your name? Your name Ami. Stupid ass, boy. Your grandma twisted your nipple. He said, in the back of my mind. You died. Bum ass boy, you ugly shit. Bitch, you barking your asshole in the mirror and you feel like a muscular jellyfish with a bachelor degree in licking pine cones. Tell my mom you ugly shit. Bitch, you tried skydiving off your roof with a napkin as a parachute. Bitch, I ain't bleeding this shit.
Yeah.
Bitch, now I'm really about to get to the packet, the dick, the dab, the flip, the flop, the dip, the up, the whip, the zipping, you dirty
Not
shit.
me.
Look at your haircut, boy. You got a place for zombie snap on your head. You ugly shit. Shut your nasty, you got that chia haircut, boy. Nah, for real though. You really thought I was gonna get to the packet on that ass, boy. You got dirty. You like Barack Obama's autistic cousin. What talking no how about dumbass, boy? You ugly shit. Shut your ugly ass up, boy. In the dude in the back, you like a suicide girl from Halo 3. Your ass ugly shit, boy. Shut your nasty ass up, boy. Now I believe that I get to the packet, boy. You better get your shopping cart, Cooper Far, got a name, mom, I'm smart, bubble bass, wax your ass, COVID's real, where's my mask? Shoot up pencil, little freckle, bought a bike, got no pedals, disabled pumper bag, dirty rag, Fortnite lag, absent dad, hit the dab, scallywag, Canadian flag, humpback, sweaty snap, bumper rap, bumper flat, it's a trap, broke it down to a meter, tune on a racer, 13 no vapor, windows still wallpaper, dump truck, Donald Duck, tummy tuck.
He's Caucasian.
And ain't nobody cares. You got a drop of dark links of blowing down your head right now. You like a chipmunk, you think it's your Christmas time, tis time, Christmas time. See, why you talking about? You like Ronald McDonald from Ohio. You wanna make it out? You like as hell. No. It's like, you know, muscle man for regular show. No. You ain't Ice Spice. You ain't sugar. Get your fingers on me. Yes, skibbity, number. When you walk downstairs, your whole house starts rumbling. Bring the power of Aaron Yeager and 37 colossal titans down your staircase.
Expecting that.
Well,
Alright,